Hey guys, we are back here at the Bug Show at the amazing Maggie Valley, VW's in the Valley, and we're looking at bugs. Pretty. Yeah, all kinds of awesome bugs. We got this Herbie Jr. So fun, look at this. So great. I love your car. Really nice. Oh, another minx maybe? It's a minx or maybe it's an MP Beetle, I'm not sure, but it's really fun. Kind of sweaty and good. Kentucky. It's your car? It's beautiful. I love it. And of course buses all day. Look at this. Bus from Alaska? I don't know about that, but maybe. So good. Is this your bus?
Hi, yes.
Can I talk to you about your bus?
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. I'm VW.
Nice to meet you. I'm Faith.
Nice to meet you, Faith. So, Faith, talk to me about this bus. Where'd you get this?
Yes. So this is a 1973.
73.
Yes. We went to Mount Airy,
Okay.
North Carolina. Went from Winston to Mount Airy to get it about 10 years ago or so.
Have you always been a bus person?
When I was in high school, I was like, I want the bus down by the down by the river, and so they made it happen.
You got bit early. I like the whole setup here with like a seance, like hippie hangout, like feeling the vibes and all the things.
Gotta have the whole aesthetic going.
It's so cool. So you're in high school and you're like, I want to get this bus. I'm sitting down with you, Faith.
Yes,
we're doing a sit
absolutely.
down. There's a proper interview now. Now we're serious.
Awesome.
And so you picked this up a few years ago.
Yes. While ago, and completely gutted it. It
Oh my
almost did
gosh.
not make it home,
Oh my
honestly.
gosh.
And so we took everything out of it and just customized all of it and put it back, which was long time in the making. This was a beautiful process.
I'm seeing all these bits and pieces of modification. I got to stand up.
Yes,
I'm too excited.
yeah,
Faith.
absolutely.
Look, you got
There's a lot to look at.
The lantern hanger here, was it the choice that you made to
Yes,
do? With
yes,
the fairy hangout,
yes.
like Tinkerbell kind of
Most
thing?
of them were my choices, and then Dad was the muscle there.
Yeah.
You know.
It's excellent, excellent. What can you tell me about the back here? So it's North Carolina plates in the back, but Alaska in the front. Is that like the distance you've traveled over the years, or?
So I've seen all 50 states.
Nice.
All
Faith, road
50
warrior. High five for that
states.
one.
Woo!
Nice.
Thank
Good for you. Excellent.
So we got the Alaska plate, and then my Subaru has the Hawaii plate.
Okay, yeah, because that can go over water and whatever. Yeah.
There you go.
I don't know.
But
right down to the really cool travel curtains and everything. And
the quilt that is in there is made of t-shirts one from each state. So there's 2 quilts,
That's
25
cool.
states each.
That's cool. That's cool.
So very fun.
I just love it so much. Yeah, and then you went with this kind of glitter, fun, speckled.
So actually, when we bought it, it was this sparkly purple color.
Okay.
Now the orange is the original,
I
how
see.
it would have been stocked.
Okay.
And they had it like this. Now, however, it looked really bad.
Right.
So we added kind of the rust stains on it, actually. Customized that. And then put kind of gloss painting over it.
Yeah.
To make it sparkle and shine.
You got to sparkle and shine, yeah. And you got the ladder to the roof on top.
Yes.
I mean, so are you going up there and
for
tying this down? Or
For
camping?
camping.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta
Luggage
have
racks.
all the space. Yes.
So good. And faithful on the road, no problems so far. Fingers crossed, knock on
Fingers
wood.
crossed, knock on the wood,
Yeah,
as long as we have oil and we're checking it. You know, the rest stops are good for that.
I'm going to go around the passenger side. Can we look inside?
Yes,
so
please
you stay
do.
here right back. Wow. Okay, this is a whole
I know it's a lot to see.
It is so much. You guys don't understand what's going on here. This is wow. Okay. The tool bag. Can we talk about that? Like what? This is so cool. Where'd you get that?
That actually, I believe we ordered from like a Jeep company. Like they sell like Jeep modifications.
Yeah. Man, gauges, everything has been
modded. New gauges, all of that. Steering wheel, obviously. Now, the best part's that roll bar down there.
Oh, look at this. Okay, talking about that.
So those, you do not see those often.
No, I've never seen it.
So if we hit something, if something backs into me, then it's going to kind of protect your
Yes,
and feet.
because people's legs do get crushed on these things, so that's smart.
Yes.
And then I kind of looked up and I was like, what is that?
So this is diamond plate metal.
It is.
It took 3 generations to get it up there.
Oh,
Me,
my
Dad, and Grandpa.
Gosh, wow.
And it ate up saw bits like nobody's business.
Wow,
So
I
that
can't-
was the labor of love, honestly.
Oh my God, this is too much. Oh my God. Wait, and then you got like coffee. Okay, I'm going
Yes,
inside.
yeah.
Wait, what is this? Kona coffee?
I know. So
You got all the toys.
yes, this is the Ouija board.
Okay,
so
wait,
that's
hold on.
your table.
Got it.
So if
All
you're
right.
feeling, crazy at dinner, we can talk to some friends.
Right. Please, people with the previous owners of the bus.
Yeah.
What have you added coffee
This is
in?
what we've done to it.
This is so cool.
Got your little trash bag down there.
Yeah.
That, of course, folds out into a bed.
Okay.
Gotta have
Yep.
the
Got to
bed.
do that for
Yes.
sleeping. Yep. But
Speakers, of course.
just for tunes, because the bus is really loud. But now with
Yeah, we
these,
gotta like turn it up over the kind of bumps and stuff
yeah,
over here.
totally. Look at this. This is great. I just like the idea that you pull this whole like fabric through the whole thing, kind of connecting it all together.
It's also out there on those
It
chairs.
is. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a whole feel. So do you go to these shows a lot?
Yes.
Yeah.
We do. That's actually honestly how this one kind of came together.
Okay.
It was just going to all of the shows and getting parts and pieces and bits.
Yeah.
And eventually this is what it became.
It's so cool with the seat belts and
Thank
some have Wolfsburg seat belts on there, and I just so much to look at. I can't
I
get
know,
it all.
there is a
'Cause
lot.
You went down to like putting the leather straps on the different container. It just
Yeah, and this opens.
Okay,
So
so
that's like storage under there, of
got
course.
it. Yeah.
Then that's all.
And
the
if you got
storage
an
back
extra
there.
wrench forged in the USAVW, you can make a hand rail out of it.
There
So
you go.
it's awesome. So of all these things, what's your favorite thing? If you had to pick one to be like, show my bus and show this one.
So hard.
I know.
Probably this darn ceiling, just because of how difficult
Right.
that was to do.
Right. This is
Because
awesome.
it's just one sheet that you had to get popped up, and metal does not like to bend like that.
No, because you're bending a little bit like this, and then also like a double concave type of deal,
So
right?
you see a lot of fabric headliners, but
No one
this
does
bad
this because
boy,
it's impossible. Yeah.
between the roll bar and the metal up there, I'd say we're pretty safe. And
Yeah,
of course,
so-
you've got the fire extinguishers somewhere. It's right behind
Okay,
you with
yeah.
our custom logo on it.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Crown
cool.
Jewel Rod Shop.
Nice. And I have seen these metal steps
Yes.
before.
Yes.
And the person who had it on his bus swears by it. He was like, best thing
Have to
ever,
have
totally
that.
love it, gotta have it. And of
mhm.
course,
Otherwise you're kinda
your
falling
bus
out.
has it. And I caught your name, but what's the bus's
Yes.
name?
So this is Crown Jewel.
Crown Jewel,
Yes.
okay.
The license plate says that too.
Got it, I
Had to
didn't.
make it match.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So fun. Is there something else that you're looking to do, like you want to add or change or next on the list?
This one's done.
Okay.
Now, mine over there.
Oh, you have another one, of course, because I
You
think
can't just have one.
it's not a sickness. It's not.
So
It's-
if you have one, bring more. So that one, I'm completely tearing the inside out and redoing.
Okay.
We're gonna put kind of the camping cabinets in there.
Oh,
from
nice.
Kind of the older Vanagons
Yeah.
to make that one more of kind of your camping vehicle. Of course, got the awnings on both of them. So
Right.
yes.
It's so cool. So I'm gonna come back to you when that's finished. In a few weeks, I'm sure it'll
Sounds
be done. Knock it out.
Ooh, yeah, a few weeks. That's all it's gonna take.
With the diamond studded metal on top, and it'll be perfect.
Yes.
Thanks so much for talking to us. I
Awesome.
really love your bus. Yeah, so nice to
Absolutely.
meet you and
Thank you.
everything.
It's great to meet
Yeah,
you.
good luck and
Awesome.
everything. On the
Thank
it's a
you.
competition, right, for the thing. Yeah,
It is. Fingers crossed.
It's a
Crown
beautiful
Jewel.
bus.
You heard it here first.
it's gonna do great. All right,
Thank
I'll
you.
see you around. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you.
We remember what we learned on the Twinkie. Here's this bus, but green. Buses and And bust. What is it? Bugs? Bugs. Orange bug. Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
I'm VW.
Robbie.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
What a beautiful, beautiful vert.
Thanks, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, sir.
Is this the wife?
Yes.
Fiance. Wife to be, yeah.
Yes, wife to be.
Congratulations, guys. This car is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Can you tell me about it? Where did you get this car?
It's a 1970 model.
Okay.
We actually, a buddy of mine is his neighbor's. That's how we got it.
Wow.
Close, in our same town we live in.
Whereabouts is that?
That's Lenore City, Tennessee.
Tennessee. I could tell the accent. This is like Tennessee colors too, right?
It is, yes, sir.
So you're all dialed in.
That's right.
So you have a neighbor that had this beautiful car, and then you were able to get it from him?
Yes.
Is the body buried in the backyard?
It should be.
Oh my gosh! I wouldn't, for my dead hands, I wouldn't give you this car. This is gorgeous. Come walk with me. Tell me about the front of this car. Did you have to do anything to this? It looks like it's been lowered.
We did the interior parts, not been lowered.
Oh,
it's
nice.
just the wheels and tires on it. But
wow.
we did all this inside stuff.
Super classy.
Yes.
Really nice.
It runs great. We drive it all the time. It's a driver.
And it comes complete with a picnic basket, accoutrements,
yes,
right?
she loves doing all the.
She's a set dresser. She's a Hollywood movie set dresser.
She is good at it.
We got 8mm cameras, picnic for 4,
That's
binoculars to watch the birds or whatever.
That's all of it.
Or
good old flowers.
Peep on the other neighbors over there.
That's
Like,
right.
their picnic's not as nice as ours, right? Look at this car. Wow. Tires, what as it was when you got it?
Put the wheels and tires on.
Okay, you did that?
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Yeah. Man, but the paint is what it was.
It is, yes. Everything else is sitting like it was.
I think you should stop paying the lottery. You already won. This is it. Look at this.
Thank you, sir.
Amazing. And this top, oh, elegant, like nice beige top.
It is.
Because it goes to the interior, right? Low seats.
It's all the same.
Man. And are you driving to these shows? Are you trailing
We
into
trailer it here.
Yeah.
It's about 2.5 hours.
I was like, I don't see any nicks or bugs or anything anywhere on
No.
it. So it's quite up there with the pride of place, right?
That's right.
Yeah, look at that.
Got to keep the orange shining.
You got to. Can you talk about the motor?
It's 1600. It's all stock.
Okay.
Single
Man.
carburetor.
It is. You could eat off this motor, man.
It's a good one.
It is gorgeous. I love the new carb. Did you get that cleaned or something?
Yes.
It's beautiful. Wow. It's like one of those things where you kind of look for specimens of like how it used to be, or
That's right.
things have changed so much over the years.
Yes.
It's
That's
hard to
all
find.
original though.
Yeah, with the pea shooters.
Yes.
Right. I'm just loving it. And you know, a lot of people have these vents, and when it rains, it goes right into your manifolds, and so now you've got these. These are hard to find.
Yes, that's right. Keep
Yeah.
the water out.
Keep it out. Look at this.
We try not to have it out in the rain. It's only been out once.
It's an indoor cat.
That's right.
Just figure it out for shows.
That's
it's
right.
the car you never drive.
That's right. It has to be a
Amazing.
sunny day.
Yeah. Well, in this weather with these hills in the background, I mean, I don't know if you can see this, guys, but the background of this setting is just gorgeous. Have you been to this show before?
Yes, sir. It's our
Okay.
third time.
Third time.
Mhm.
Man, nice. Is there something on the list that you want to change, or you're inspired to do something different, or you're
Probably
like,
not. We probably keep it like it is.
yeah? I mean, I think you're done.
We are pretty well
Yeah.
on that one.
Oh wait, is that implied? There's another one down the road?
I hope so.
Really? Okay. What are you thinking? What of all the cars you got here? What
She is wanting a bus.
a bus?
Yeah, about a 70 model. This is our truck.
Oh, this is yours too.
Yes,
Oh, cool. Can we talk about that as well?
absolutely.
How did you get? Wait.
We,
the
we
colors,
found
the poppin' orange and the yellow. Oh man.
we have an orange dune buggy also, so we usually bring 2 oranges.
I should have known it was yours because of the set dressing.
That's right.
accoutrements in the
All
front.
in the back too on top. She's a decorator.
Look at this. Oil cans, vintage oil cans. So I'm sorry, you were saying, how'd you get this bus?
This is a 1966 double cab.
Okay.
We actually got it at a Volkswagen dealership in Indiana.
At the dealership.
Sure did.
Was it a display inside the?
It was.
And they were like,
It was somebody owned it.
did
And
you
they-
arm wrestle them for the? I think you would.
We just got very fortunate to get it.
The luck. You got
It's
this.
exactly like it was.
I gotta rub some of this luck off on me, man. How do you for neighbors, dealership, whatever? Wow, this looks like it's on showroom floor. You got
was on the showroom
a bus
floor.
off the showroom
Yes,
floor.
sir.
Wow, amazing. I think your wife deserves her own award for best set dressing.
We have won stuff for that.
Have you really?
She has for decorations.
I can spot a winner when I.
There you
know,
go.
like,
You've done
boom.
good.
I'm doing so far so good.
Yes,
Look
sir.
and this, all the slatted wood, that was all like that.
Yes.
Man,
Yeah, the truck's nothing's been changed. on it.
Restoration's
We put the
really-
rack on top. it's the only
really
thing.
nice. We got to put the can somewhere.
That's right.
dude.
She made me do all that.
Gotta do it, honey. Where's my rack on top?
That's a
Look at this.
1600 also.
Oh wow. Okay, this is great. And you could drive them both if you wanted to.
We drive this all the time.
Okay.
We drive them all.
Wow.
They're all drivers.
There's no dust or crud in any corner.
Nope.
You could have lunch right there.
That
You'd be
one's
like,
very clean.
tastes so good.
Yeah.
Man. Okay, so I'm going to ask the silly question, which is Anything on this you want to do or change?
We wouldn't. Might tint the windows. We can't make up our mind.
Okay.
That might be the only thing.
It's hard to see in then. I can't take pictures.
It is.
Yeah.
You'd have to open the doors.
The thing about these older buses that I really like is the bed, because once you fold this down and this down, you have a proper size bed where you can get a sheet of plywood.
Yeah.
I mean, not in this car right now, but back in the day,
That's right.
if you're going to pick something up, nowadays you get a hatchback or a pickup truck, whatever, you're like, wheel wells are in your way.
That's right.
The opening is too small, you can't get the plywood in.
Yes.
IKEA, forget it, you know? But this is like, oh, I'll take the sofa, the lounge, the love seat, the ottoman, stack it all in, and you can build it as you want, right?
That's true. That's true.
so
It'll hold
much-
anything.
Anything. Wow. Okay, and you got pop outs. Was this original to the car, the pop outs?
Yes.
Man, I do like the sliding window on the side. That's really cool.
Yeah, those are neat.
Is it okay to pull the doorknob?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Oh, wow. Look at that. This was the weight when you got it.
It was, yes.
You're kidding me.
Of course, this has been redone.
Right. No, but I mean, redone,
it's just
redone
like it
really
is.
well. Yeah, just look at this. Oh, man. Wow. This is gorgeous, dude. Look at this dashboard. Do you have a favorite thing about this bus rather than like all of it? Because even the liner is good. Look at man.
Just riding down the road with the safari windows out. It's a blast.
Yeah. You get smiles everywhere you go, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Everybody's blowing at you and waving. They enjoy seeing it.
Yeah, and I think the safari windows, let's close this guy. Wow, look at that gap. These safari windows make all the difference, the pop outs, right?
It does.
Absolutely beautiful, man. Unbelievable. Thanks for bringing it out for us to see.
Yes, sir.
Your car collection is gorgeous. I can't wait to see the rest of them one day.
All right, we'll bring them.
And the next one, which you think might be another bus, right?
Yes, that's what she wants, is a bus.
Full bus or another?
Camper bus.
Camper bus, okay, pop top
Yes,
and all that, yeah.
that's correct.
Of course, right? I need a camper bus, yeah. The sickness is real.
That's right.
Thanks, man. Thanks
Thank
so much
you,
for your
sir.
time. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. It's a great car. And I love the umbrella. Nice. So great. It's like all about the Baja bugs today. I mean, the bugs today, the minxes and the MPs. I mean, look at this guy. Who would have thought that, you know, up in the valley, in Maggie Valley, everyone's California dreamer. There's another one. I don't know if you can see this glitter, but it's amazing. Ron John Surf Shop logos. Excellent, excellent. Well, guys, that's it for me. Have a great week, and I will see you guys on the next one.